Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So title से तुम्हें पता चल ही गया है. It's gonna be a huge urbanic haul. So I recently went to a vacation. A lot of you would know if you were, following me on Instagram. So please do that quickly. But yeah, so I was on a vacation and I got some really beautiful stuff from Urbanic from their vacation slash party collection. So I know that you guys gonna love this collection. I just want to make a quick announcement कि अर्बैनिक का जो ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल इतना मस्त सेल है जो once in a year वाला चल रहा है अभी भी and you can use my code. बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो है ना वो डिस्काउंटेड है ऑलरेडी एंड उसके ऊपर भी यू गोना गेट एक्स्ट्रा 20% ऑफ if you're gonna use my code. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Now I also want to give you one more disclaimer कि because it's a Black Friday sale and बहुत ही जल्दी ऐसे ऐसे करके ना सुंदर सुंदर कपड़े आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो रहे हैं. So I really hope that a lot of these items are still available. So I'm gonna link everything down below. If not the same, similar items would be linked down below in the description. So make sure you check out everything. And now, yes, let's start with the video. Okay, first item that I would like to show you is this super duper sexy bodysuit. You guys, this is amazing. I'm also going to attach my pictures or videos that I like how I styled it and how I wore it in Goa, so you have an idea. Or agar maine kuch wahan nahi pehna to I'll give you a proper try on. But yeah, this is the body suit. It's like one shoulder body suit and this one covers your bust area, and iske niche na you see there is this nude lining, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा sexy इसका look आ रहा है. Now I wore this because we wanted to go to like a fancy restaurant airport जाने से पहले, तो मैंने इसको jeans के साथ पहना है. Otherwise I wanted to style it with like a satin skirt, but मेरे को direct airport जाना था, so I wore it with a jeans and then airport पे जाके मैंने इसके ऊपर एक cardigan पहन लिया था. But yeah, this one is super super sexy, by the way. I really hope that it's still available. Otherwise I'll find something similar and tag it for you. Okay, next item, which is like I'm obsessed with, like seriously, because this is so beautiful and so comfortable. This pair of shorts, इसमें ना you see pearl वाला work है. It's like जो इसका fabric है ना ये I really don't know what you call it, but Chanel makes something like this, so it's of course a dupe of that, and it's just super cute. Now this one has, so दो कलर में अवेलेबल है, ब्लैक और बेज. वो बहुत सिमिलर दिखते हैं बट इसमें बेज थोड़ा डोमिनेटिंग है, दूसरे में ब्लैक थोड़ा डोमिनेटिंग है. आई एम गोना अटैच बोथ ऑफ दीज बिलो. गाइज दिस वन इज लाइक अ मस्ट हैव फॉर विंटर. ये हल्का सा मोटे फैब्रिक में है तो विंटर्स के लिए परफेक्ट है. You just pair it with your fake fleece, like those stockings जो आजकल वायरल हुई हुई है, that you can find in my previous videos, by the way, उसका link. तो उसके साथ आप इसको pair कर सकते हो with like boots and all, and you're gonna look bomb in like winter parties, because this is super classy and cute. Next item that we have is this mini black dress. Now this dress is so cute. ये बहुत simple लग रही है but it has some like self texture going on, and अभी तुम्हें समझ नहीं आएगा ये, but you can see the try on and how it looks. I absolutely love it. इसकी back पे ना ऐसे criss cross वाला detailing है, so it's sort of backless but not exactly. This is again a super cute mini like black dress. I mean, if you're looking for a LBD, this is the one for you क्योंकि इसका fit बहुत मस्त है. Like it has like this skater वाला fit and it looks super cute and sexy at the same time, which is I think my definition. Self proclaimed, but okay. Next top that I have is this sheer top. This one is in like off-white color. भूल जाती हूँ मैं क्या बोल रही होती हूँ. But yeah, this is like proper high neck and ये बहुत ही पतला है. Of course you have to pair like a bralette inside it. Now this is not my size. I got this for my sister, but I still wanted to show you in the video क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute है. And yeah, I just love it. I love personally I love sheer tops, and my sister loves it too, so I got this one for her. Okay, so we have one more top in off-white color, like apricot off-white. This again is like one of my favorite pieces. ये बहुत ही प्यारा corset top है, and इसकी back पे ऐसा zipper आता है to wear it, and this is like a proper corset. It comes with like अच्छे से इसके अंदर wiring है, and it is like off shoulder top. You can see how it looks on me. I think ये बहुत, again, it's very like classy. I have paired it with like these shorts, and काफी cute लग रहा है साथ में, because उस शॉर्ट्स में भी ये लाइक बेज एप्रिकॉट कलर है. एक चीज मैं जरूर चाहूंगी कि तुम इस वीडियो से खरीदो, इफ इट्स स्टिल अवेलेबल, इज दिस जंप सूट, सॉरी प्ले सूट. अभी थोड़ा सा ये मुचड़ गया है, आई एम सॉरी, आई जस्ट अनपैक्ड माई बैग्स. But this is so cute and so comfortable, because it's like a play suit, like you can dance around so comfortably. And it comes with this super cute bow detailing with like rhinestone buckle in the middle. And again, this is like a must have for the upcoming party season. You guys, this is again, मैं बोल चुकी हूँ दो चीज़ों के लिए already, one of my favorite pieces, but this is also one of my favorite pieces because it's so comfortable. You know, trench coat तुमने पहना हुआ है with like boots, like on just on your shoulders, you're gonna rock the party, my friend. Just go with like a big statement rhinestone earrings, gonna look bomb. Okay, next dress that I wore in Goa, and I just love it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है ये. Again, this is like off shoulder dress. It has some ruffle detailing and ruching detailing also. काफी मस्त brown color में है ये, with like floral print going on. This is like so cute. You can see कैसा लग रहा है. You can see here like in the try on कैसा लग रहा है. I wore it in like one of the most beautiful cafes in Goa. I'm gonna make a video like must visit cafes in Goa, जो कि इस बार मैंने नए try किए थे. So yeah, you guys, this is so cute. And I don't know if this dress is in Black Friday sale, but you can still get it on discount by using my code. Yes, I'm gonna promote it again and again. Okay. Okay, so next we have one more top. This is again off shoulder. ये मस्त ऐसा black full sleeves में है, and ये ना नीचे से like तुम्हारे bust area के नीचे से sheer में है, तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute लगता है. I wore this first night in Goa with the same shorts that I showed you earlier. ये बड़ा ही cute off shoulder top है with like this thing, like this cutout for your thumb. I absolutely love it. It fits really well to me. Size, I think मैंने इसमें medium order किया है. No, I'm wearing small in this top. I really hope that it is available for you to buy, because यार ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute है. It comes with this like strings जो तुम ऐसे neck पे बांध लेते हो, तो it gives you like a halter neck sort of look. Okay, one more top that you guys absolutely loved on my Instagram is this one. This one is super cute. Look at the detailing on this one, like this floral detailing. It's again like a corset looking top. बहुत ही delicate सा है ये. I'm sorry, but this one is not available now. ये तो मैंने check किया था because I was giving links on Instagram, तो ये तभी stock out हो गया था. But ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा similar looking एक top available है, so it's gonna be tagged below. You can check that one out. But dude, this is absolutely gorgeous. This gives me like very like a princess slash Barbie slash feminine, very feminine vibes, by the way. Okay, next top that we have, मैंने tops खत्म कर रही हूँ, then we can move on to the dresses. This is a top, you believe it or not, ये मैं अब तक पहन नहीं पाई actually. This is like again off shoulder, एंड ये तुम्हारा बहुत ही टाइनी सा लाइक ऐसे आता है बस्ट एरिया पे, एंड यू टाई इट फ्रॉम द बैक. सुपर कलरफुल, लाइक मजा आता है ऐसे बीच पे कलरफुल कपड़े पहनते हैं तो. सो या, आई लाइक इट. नेक्स्ट आई ऑल्सो गॉट अ बिकिनी दिस टाइम, जिसका बॉटम ये है सेट ऑफ टू. तो जो इसका ऊपर वाला पार्ट है वो मैला है, मशीन में है मेरी, बट यू सी द बॉटम पार्ट. I love this detailing. ये जो इस पे seashells वाला detailing है. So this one is like, you know, it has nothing. तो मैं इसके bottom में comfortable नहीं थी. I wore it with my black uh, छोटू वाला जो biker shorts होता है, जो मैंने I'll post the pictures here. You can see what I'm blabbering about. But and it's mid-rise. I am more of like, you can see high waist wala person. So if you're someone who are super comfortable in it, this set is like a must have because it's so beautiful. Like seashells वाला जो इसका detailing है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Loved it. Okay, next let's talk about this gorgeous dress that I wore in Goa. ये ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारी maxi dress है and this is how it is. Again, this is like off shoulder mainly, but you can try these strings and make it like a halter neck sort of, and it comes with this like rose patch detailing. मस्त बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस है ये. इसकी बैक पे ऐसा कटआउट भी है एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड वेयरिंग इट. मैंने बहुत क्यूट सी इसमें पिक्चर्स भी ली थी. मैंने इसे जाके स्पेशली फ्लावर शॉप पे मैचिंग फ्लावर्स खरीदे to, you know, click some aesthetic pictures. You can see them on the screen. This is again is like a beautiful dress. First you see the picture on the website. Absolutely love this color. इसमें एक गलती हुई मुझसे, मैं बताऊंगी. So this is like a backless dress, okay, and yeah, थोड़ा बड़ा साइज आ गया मुझसे. आई ऑर्डर्ड साइज मीडियम इन इट एंड आई थिंक मेरे को स्मॉल में जाना चाहिए था क्योंकि मेरे को ना ये वेस्ट वाला जो लाइक दिस एरिया is very loose to me and it's like backless, so I cannot even do any जुगाड़ in it अभी. So ये मैं नहीं लेके गई थी वेकेशन पे, बट इसका फैब्रिक, लुक एट द पैटर्न ऑफ द फैब्रिक, इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल यू गाइस. मेरा बहुत मन था इसको लेके जाने का बट मैं इसको फिट नहीं कर पाई घर पे एंड आई couldn't take it with me. But yeah, this was it about this video. Also, if you like what I'm wearing, this is also from Urbanic. Absolutely love this knitwear. It's so cute, like so furry, ऐसा wool से बना है ये. Love it. ये भी मैं नीचे tag कर दूंगी. Also, if you're looking for good winter wear, I'm gonna tag one more video. Nice, Mahi. One more video that I did with Urbanic. तो तुम वो जरूर check करना because a lot of people loved that video because वो knitwear है, which is like right now, like everybody needs it right now, winter clothes. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below कि तुम्हारा favorite product कौन सा था, and yeah, don't forget to use my discount code on Urbanic. And what else, subscribe to my channel, guys. I will see you next time in my next video.